Should you get X100V if you have X-T4, X-T3, X-H10 or another camera from Fujifilm? Let me tell you if you should get it or not. Hi there, my name is Tudor Matescu, and as you can see, I have X100V, X-PRO3 and I also had X-E4. And I want to share my experience regarding this camera. It really deserves a place in your camera bag if you have X-T4, X-T3 or another Fujifilm camera. So long story short, I will tell you in the conclusion part. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this related to Fujifilm camera gear, tips and tricks regarding photography. So let's get to the subject. Should you get X100V or not? First, X100V, it is very easy to be carried. It is very small, it is very light, and the build quality, it is extraordinary. It has this extraordinary screen, and if you have X-T4 or X-H10, you will not have this screen. This screen is amazing for street photography and all kinds of applications where this screen it's really shining. Personally, I don't like the flip out screen, I like it just for vlogging or videography. Also, this camera, it is fully packed. It has a flash, it has a 4-stop ND filter, it is weather resistant. It is an amazing camera. The battery, it is staying very well. The AF, it is very good. I've made lots of videos regarding this camera. Please check the link in the card. Why X100V, it is irreplaceable from my point of view. Next, the mojo of this camera. The mojo of this camera, it is incredible. It is extraordinary. This camera, it's a camera with a soul. This camera will motivate you to go out and shoot, and it will really do that. It's not just a gimmick, it's not just a word, it's not just a phrase. This camera will really motivate you. It will really motivate you to pick it and use it. It will motivate you to go out to make street photography or use it for your family pictures or for your documentary work. It doesn't matter. This camera, it is imploring you to pick it up and shoot it. I really don't feel that about another Fujifilm camera, maybe about X-PRO3, but this being smaller. And with this extraordinary lens, and now we are getting to the third reason, the extraordinary lens. I've made a special video just about this lens. Check the link from the card. The lens, it's amazing. It has a full frame bite to it. That f2, that contrasty look. It's an amazing lens. In such a small package, weather sealed. So really recommend it. The next reason is the fact that this camera, it is very easy to be carried along your X-T4, X-T3, X-H10 camera. So you will not feel it. It is very easy to be carried. So it is huge, that fact. And it's also very good. It can be used at weddings, at events, at all kinds of photography situations. Or better said, in all situations when you need a camera. It is weather sealed again. Yes, you need to buy that ring to make it full weather sealed, but when the rain it will come, or small rain, you will not feel it, you will not be stressed. The next reason, it's again the fact that this camera is not limited to a 35mm field of view lens. I've made 3 videos regarding the ability of this camera in 40mm field of view terms. So this camera, if you put it in sports finder mode, check link from the card, will give you an excellent 40mm lens. Amazing. You will not feel that you will have here a 35mm lens. No. How I proved in my videos regarding this lens in 40mm scope mode, it is better than the 27mm f2.8. The minimum focus distance, excellent. It has an f2 lens with excellent bokeh. So you are not limited to just one lens, to just the 35mm field of view. Also, this lens in the 50mm field of view, if you don't need bokeh, will offer you excellent results for street photography, for contextual photography. The Jpegs that are generated from this camera in these scope modes, full resolution Jpegs, are amazing quality. They are good quality, acceptable quality, very good for printing, for photography, for showing on social media and so on. Yes, if you are pixel peeping the 50mm JPEG from this camera, yes, it will not be as good looking as the 35mm, but the 40mm it is. So this camera is not limiting you at just the 35mm field of view. Let's say if you are a 50mm shooter. So if you have a 35mm f2 lens on your X-T4, better buy X100V. I think it is better to choose X100V instead of the 20mm f2, how I've said in this video regarding why I've chosen X100V despite of the 20mm f2 for my Fujifilm camera. So in conclusion, if you ask if there are some reasons why you should get X100V, if all the reasons that I've gave to you aren't sufficient, I must tell you from my experience as a user that had for 1 year X-E4, X-PRO3 and X100V, that yes, X100V, it is irreplaceable. It is irreplaceable. It is extraordinarily good. It is a beautiful camera. It is a perfect camera. It is an amazing camera. I am very, very satisfied with this camera. And if I will need to sell my cameras, let's say, and all the cameras, and I will not make photography again, let's say, I will keep X100V. It is so, so good. And if you will take it, and if you will use it, and if you will test it out, just when you will put the hand on this X100V, you will feel it that this is a camera for you. And it's not just about that. The price, from my point of view, the price new of this camera, it is under what this camera offers. So this is my opinion about X100V. It is that good. And on the used market, you can find now very good prices for X100V. So truly recommend X100V for your X-T4. It will really help you get something that you didn't know you don't have. Something that after you will get it, you'll understand it and you will not want to lose it again. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for content like this. Share my video and please again be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. It is very important to help me grow if you liked this video. Thank you very much and talk to you soon. Bye bye. First,